tayo pupunta?
Vegan Ilocos Zoo!
Daming tao. Ito talagang sadya namin dito eh. Kakain lang ng Marcias. What do you want to ask? What?
Singing.
What do you want to sing?
Okay, music. Come on.
Come on, sing na.
Come on.
I trust in God, my Savior one. You never fail. You never fail.
Ayan, nandito tayo ngayon sa Marcias at kasalukuyan tayo umu-order. So, meron din pala sila ditong mga ulam, di ba? Meron pala ditong mga ulam.
Ano ba yung in-order mo? Naglongganisa.
Ako naglongganisa ako at saka nagsinanglaw. Pwede na hati na lang tayo sa sabaw.
Ako gusto ko yung sinanglaw. Ang sarap.
Oo, sabi.
Gusto mo, nabutan kami ng ulan. Actually, ulan na, ulan na talaga simula dun sa Maynila. Tapos dito.
Happy Ilocos. Happy Ilocos, everyone.
Ano ba?
Happy Ilocos, everyone.
Ilocos?
Okay, what else do you wanna say? Come on.
Hello, everyone. We're in Ilocos. Then we have our neighbor, Devaya. We have our baby. You're sweet to daddy, baby. Good job. So guys, we're in Ilocos. So daddy is Ilocano.
Bakit ah?
Daddy Sinukano, Daddy Lulu.
Yeah, Ilocano.
Am I Ilocano?
Yeah, they always speak for the peoples.
How about you?
And princess.
Are you Ilocano too?
What do you call that for girls?
That is Ilocano. Does that make you an Ilocano too? Huh?
It make it for guys. Are you having good, guys? Guys, how was your good? Are you okay? I'm good. I'm good. We're in Ilocos. Yes.
Tikpan natin yung rin pa talaga. Dawakan, hindi ka doon silang ba?